Okay, the last reasons we're going to look at involve tangents. And if you have a line that touches a circle at one point, then that tangent will always be perpendicular to the line going to the center. The tangent is always perpendicular to the radius. That's good to know in a lot of different places. Tangent perpendicular to radius. But here's something. If you have a tangent that's touching a circle in one point, and that point is connected to a triangle that's circumscribed, that fits in the circle, then something special happens. You see this angle that's formed between the tangent and the chord? That's why we call it the tan-chord theorem. The angle between the tangent and the chord equals the angle that's opposite on the other side, that opens up to the same chord. You can read these words. The angle between the tangent to a circle and a chord drawn from the point of contact is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. That's called the alternate segment. There's a segment that's called the alternate segment. But anyways, the angle between the tangent and the chord equals this little angle at the top of the triangle. So this angle D2 here equals this angle B up here. And that's called the tan-chord theorem. Okay, let's just take a look at it. Hey, it's so easy, really, because look at this. There's 65 degrees. The angle between the tangent, there's a tangent, and the chord is equal to this angle at the top of the triangle that opens up to the same chord. So B is 65. Same thing on this side. C must be 65. The angle between the tangent and the chord is 55 degrees. It equals the angle in the top of the triangle, C there. Okay, tan-chord theorem. Well, let's take a look at this one. Well, there's 80 degrees, and there's the top of the triangle and the other side that opens up to AB, the chord we're talking about. So this angle C, BCA, must be 80 degrees. Tan-chord theorem. So we know that's 80. Hey, but these two sides are the same. So then A must be 80 because angles opposite equal sides. So we know those two are 80, but we know this is a triangle, and we know that 180 minus 100, we take 80 and 80 and we put it together, and we get, oh, what do we get? 80 and 80 is 160. So that makes, it's not going to be 40 degrees. We better change that number to a 2 because it's 20 degrees. 20 plus 80 will equal 180. So, hey, it's 20 degrees. So, okay. That's what we need to put right here. It's 20 degrees. Okay. So, B, angle B is 20 degrees. And that's your answer. So there you go, and I think that kind of finishes things up. And I've got a memo here that I'll send to everybody that tells you what the letters, just at least the sizes of those angles for all of the questions that we did, which is 63 questions. Okay, well that's it. I hope all this practice helps.